Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. We are discussing yet again another one of these buzzword approaches to tourism returning to Thailand. So sort of these, we've heard travel bubbles in the past, safe and sealed, pay to stay kind of stuff. And now we are hearing twin countries or twinning countries. So in a recent article from Thai Visa, and their source was Thai RAF, the article is titled Multi-Ministry Drive to Open Up Thailand to Foreign Tourism by October 1st, Tourism Minister. And they are quoting the Tourism Minister, Pipat Ratchakiprakan, quoting directly, "The travel bubble plans have been binned. Now twin countries are on the table." So by bin, for my American-speaking counterparts, they mean thrown in the trash. Quoting further, "The travel bubble scheme is now rejected," said Peapot, "especially as the Prime Minister himself ditched that proposal. In its place is something he referred to as twinning countries, and regions. What this will actually mean remains to be seen," notes Thai Visa. So thanks much for the analysis from Thai Visa. A little tip of the hat to you folks over there. And yeah, this twinning country scheme, I don't know exactly what all of this naming has to do with anything, why they keep changing these labels. But apparently, and this was what travel bubbles were discussed as, and safe and sealed seems to be more the sort of administrative initiative for folks coming in, that they're going to be taking strict precautions to try to mitigate or forestall spread of this virus. The travel bubbles was more, the way that I look at it is they're creating a corridor. So there's countries that have, for lack of a better term, gotten the situation sort of under control, for lack of a better term, and now they're going to pair off with those countries. And under the travel bubble initiative, that was how the discussion was going. And now it appears through this twin countries or twinning countries initiative, they are looking at, again, creating something, it looks to me like something akin to a corridor, wherein if you have a traveler originating in one country, that country, if it's paired off with Thailand, then those travelers may be able to get into Thailand. I think that this is a good, I think that this initiative, we've been hearing talk about travel bubbles for some time. And they keep bringing it up, and then it kind of gets shelved, it gets put on ice. Now they've said it's just out the window. But it appears to me that they are trying to come up with an initiative to get some travelers returning to Thailand. And coupling this with the fact that many of the ministers or ministry level executives that would be involved in policy making on issues pertaining to inbound travel of foreign nationals, these folks are meeting this coming week, specifically on the 27th of August. I think this is good news in light of that. And I think we may actually be seeing some light on the horizon, some light at the end of the tunnel, if you will. And we may soon be seeing some travel, although this should not be viewed as like an opening of the floodgates, but we are likely to see at least some travel coming to Thailand in the relatively near future.